Hello everyone, a big welcome to my channel Crochet and Crafts. My name is Sonali. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this tiny top hat for your little amigurumi. So I have made this top hat for this pumpkin project. So I'm going to upload a separate video for this pumpkin project. But in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this top hat for your pumpkin, or you can use this for any other small amigurumi projects. To make this top hat, we need a yarn. So I'm going to show you using this blue yarn instead of the black, because for the black it's really hard to see the stitches. Okay, so I'm going to use this blue yarn. You can use the preferable yarn color for your project. Then we need a crochet hook. So I'm using a 2.5 mm crochet hook. You can use any crochet hook that is suitable for your yarn. Then we need a pair of scissors, a stitch marker, and a tapestry needle or a yarn needle. So that's all we need to make this top hat. Let's start. I will start with a magic ring, and if you are new in crochet and don't know how to make a magic ring, you can always refer to the tutorial uploaded on magic ring in my channel. I will also paste the link in the description box. So this completes a magic ring. Now I will make 6 single crochet around this magic ring. So I will work along with this tail. So insert the crochet hook into this magic circle, yarn under and pull it through the circle again. And now we have 2 loops on the hook, yarn under and pull it through all the 2 loops. Okay, so this completes 1 single crochet, and I will make 5 more around this magic circle. So insert the hook, yarn under, pull it through the loop. We have 2 loops on the hook now, yarn under and pull it through both the loops. So this completes the second one. I will make 4 more. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now hold this yarn tail and pull it tightly to close the hole in the middle. So this completes our row number 1, and at the end of row 1 we have 6 stitches. Now I will move on to row number 2. In row 2 I will make 2 single crochet in each of these 6 stitches. So at the end of row 2 we should have 12 stitches. So I will make increase in each of these 6 stitches. So insert the crochet hook into the first stitch. Now grab this yarn tail, top of this crochet hook, okay, over to this crochet hook like this, and now grab this yarn and pull it through the stitch again. So we have 2 loops on the hook, yarn under and pull it through both the loops. So we just made 1 single crochet into the first stitch of row number 1, and this is our first stitch of row number 2. So I will mark it using a stitch marker. Now I will make 1 more single crochet into the same stitch. So insert the crochet hook into the same stitch 1 more time and put this yarn tail over to your crochet hook like this, and then grab this yarn and pull it through the loop. We have two loops on the hook now, and now again yarn under and pull it through both the loops. So this way I will repeat this 5 more times. So moving on to the next stitch, insert the crochet hook over, insert the crochet hook. Now put this yarn over to the, this yarn tail over to the crochet hook and grab this yarn. Now we have 2 loops on the hook, yarn under and pull it through both the loops. I'll make 1 more single crochet into the same stitch. So insert the crochet hook into the same stitch. Put the yarn tail like this over to the crochet hook, yarn under, pull through, yarn under and pull through. Now moving on to the next one. Alright, so this completes our row number 2 and we have 12 stitches now. Now I can cut this yarn tail. So now moving on to row number 3. Here we will make one single crochet in each of these stitches, but I will work only on the back loop. Okay, so for each of these stitches you can see there are 2 loops. This is the front loop and this is the back loop. Okay, so I will work only in this back loop for row number 3 and I will make one single crochet in each of these 12 back loops. So insert the crochet hook into the back loop of first stitch, yarn under, pull through, yarn under and pull through. So I just made my first stitch or first single crochet of row number 3 and I will mark it using a stitch marker. Now moving on to the second one. Again for the second one also I will insert the crochet hook into the back loop only, yarn under and pull through, yarn under and pull through. Now for the third one, insert the crochet hook into the back loop, yarn under, pull through, yarn under and pull through. Moving on to the fourth. So this way I'll repeat till the last stitch, that is stitch number 12. Alright, so this completes our row number 3. Now I will move on to row number 4. So in row number 4 and row number 5, I will make one single crochet in each of these 12 stitches and I will be working in both the loops. Okay, so at the end of row 4 and row 5, I should have 12 stitches. So 2 rows I'll be doing. This is the first stitch of row number 4. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So this completes our row number 4. For row number 5, I will do the same. This completes row number 5 as well. Now moving on to row number 6. So in row 6, I will make a decrease. So here I will make 4 single crochet into the first 4 stitches and then I will make decrease into 5th and 6th stitch. So I will crochet 5th and 6th stitch together. So I will make 1 single crochet out of the 2 single crochet of row number 5. Okay, so this way I will repeat the pattern 2 times. like 4 single crochet and then a decrease. So this way I will repeat 2 times, and at the end of row 6 we should have 10 stitches. So insert the crochet hook into the first stitch, make a single crochet, and this is my first stitch of row number 6. I'll make 3 more single crochet into the next 3 stitches. So insert the crochet hook into the next stitch and make a single crochet here, then move on to the next stitch and make a single crochet here as well, then moving on to the 4th stitch and making a single crochet here. Now for the 5th and 6th stitch I will make a decrease. So insert the crochet hook into the 5th stitch, yarn under, pull through. We have 2 loops on the hook now. Now insert the crochet hook into the next stitch, yarn under and pull through. So we have 3 loops on the hook now. Now yarn under and pull through all the 3 loops. So this makes a decrease, and I will repeat this pattern for the next 6 stitches as well. So 1 single crochet into the next stitch, 1 single crochet into the next stitch as well, 1 single crochet into the next stitch, 1 single crochet into the next stitch. So 4 single crochet, and now on the last 2 stitches I will make a decrease. Insert the crochet hook, yarn under, pull through, insert the crochet hook into the next stitch, yarn under, pull through, 3 loops on the hook now, yarn under and pull through all the 3 loops. So this completes our row number 6. We have 10 stitches now at the end of row 6. Now I will move on to row number 7. So in row 7 I will make 1 single crochet into the first stitch and then 2 single crochet into the next stitch. So I will make an increase into the next stitch. Okay, so this way I will repeat the pattern total 5 times. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet. So this way I will repeat, and at the end of row 7 we should have 15 stitches. But here I will only work on the front loops, okay, not in both the loops. So last time in row number 3 we worked on the back loops, like in this loops, right? But this time I will work only in the front loop. Alright, so insert the crochet hook into the first stitch, yarn under, pull through, yarn under and pull through. So this is my first stitch of row number 7. I will mark it. Now in the next stitch I will make 2 single crochet. So insert the crochet hook in the front loop of next stitch, yarn under, pull through, yarn under and pull through. I'll make 1 more single crochet into the same stitch. So insert the crochet hook into the same stitch, only the front loop, yarn under and pull through, yarn under and pull through. Now moving on to the next stitch, here I will make 1 single crochet, that too only on the front loop. So insert the crochet hook, yarn under, pull through, yarn under and pull through. Okay, now in the next stitch I will make 2 single crochet in the front loop. 1. Now make again, 1 more single crochet into the same stitch. 2. Moving on to the next one. So here I will make 1 single crochet, and for the next one I will make 2 single crochet in the front loop only. Now moving on to the next one, here I will make 1 single crochet into the front loop, and now for the next one I will make 2 single crochet Now moving on to the next one. So I am remaining with the last 2 stitches of row number 7. So here I will make 1 single crochet, and for the next one I will make 2 single crochet. Okay, so this completes our row number 7. Now I will cut this yarn and fasten it off. Take the tapestry needle or the yarn needle. So insert the needle into the front loop of next stitch like this, and then insert the needle into the back loop of the previous stitch this way. Alright, so this completes our mini or tiny top hat. Now I will just hide this yarn tail. Now you can use this for your amigurumi project. Thank you.